Welcome friends. Today topic is mixture of concrete. So let's get started. The question is define mixture of concrete. How M20 concrete is classified. Mixture of concrete. Here is the answer. Concrete is a mixture of Portland cement, water, fine and coarse aggregates. It consolidates into a hard mass because of a chemical reaction called hydration between cement and water. When cement, water, aggregate, and additives are mixed together, a significant heat increase occurs. This is due to the exothermic process in the reaction between cement and water called hydration. Concrete mix ratios are the proportions of concrete components such as cement, sand, aggregates, and water. These mix ratios are decided based on type of construction and mix designs. The coarse aggregate in the mixture acts as a filler. The fine aggregate fills up the voids in the coarse aggregate. Cement with water acts as the binder. The workability of the mixture is provided by the cement paste fines with water and admixtures. This is the picture of types of graded concrete. This is well graded, this is poorly graded, and this is gap graded. In the well graded, we can see the voids are properly filled between the different components. This is poorly graded, the voids are occurs, and this is gap graded. In these voids are also occurs. Here is the properties of well graded, poorly graded, and gap graded. In well graded, it is good interlock, low permeability. In poorly graded, few points of contact, poor interlock, shape dependent, high permeability. In gap graded, it is only limited sizes, good interlock, low permeability. Proportioning a concrete mix for a given purpose is thus the art of obtaining a suitable ratio of the various ingredients of concrete with the required properties at the economical cost. N20. Concrete mixes are classified by its grade, having specified crushing strength at 28 days as measured in standard conditions with 150 sizes cubes. That is, the grade of concrete corresponds to its characteristics strength. M20 shows the crushing strength of that cube having size 150 at 28 days is 20 Newton per square, where M stands for mix. M20 is the grade of concrete which ratio is 1 ratio 1.5 ratio 3, means one part is cement and 1.5 part is sand and 3 part is aggregate. So dear friends, this is mixture of concrete. You can also check the playlist in my channel related to construction and building materials. If you want more videos related to construction and building materials, please subscribe my channel for getting latest upcoming videos. So dear friends, let's meet in another video. Thank you very much.